Hello everyone and welcome to new one. In this video I'm gonna show you and tell you everything about drivers, how you can download all drivers that are missing on your computer, and there is many programs that will help you through this to solve this problem, but I'm recommending only two. The first one is Driver Booster, the second one is Driver Pack, and in the description of this video I'm gonna leave the link to both of these websites where you can download Driver Pack and Driver Booster. So I'm not gonna prolong this video anymore. I'm gonna open Driver Booster automatically, but before that I'm gonna explain you about Driver Pack. If you download this Driver Pack online, you need to have internet connection, so you can download those drivers through internet. And this Driver Pack offline network, there should be all drivers that Windows requires. So by downloading that, you don't need to be connected on the internet, but you need to have it on your PC or flash or whatever. And this third one, Driver Pack Offline Full, I've never actually used this one. I used online and this one, but this offline I didn't, so I don't know, you can check it out by yourself. In one of the next video I'm gonna explain you in details how this Driver Pack works and Driver Booster how it works, and the serial numbers is the key that will help you unlock the full version. And that is not important very much because you don't need full version right now. I'm gonna close those programs because we don't need it. In case you want to download this Driver Booster 10, it is easy, free download, and that's all. Let's go and check it out actually by clicking on that. Yes, and now we can choose the folder, destination, and save, and after that we need to install that, but we're not gonna do it right now. Let's close this notepad, and I'm gonna show you by opening this Driver Booster how we can update all drivers at once. So I need a second, and basically only by clicking this scan, Driver Booster will automatically scan the entire computer for every driver that you need to download and install on your PC machine. And it will show you the list of all drivers that are out of date, that are old, and there is all information that you need. They are actually here. As you can see, I need to download these drivers, but I'm gonna download only one so I can show you. You can uncheck or check any driver that you want to download instantly or later, or right now I want to download and install only this sound and video game controller, so let's go and update that one for an example. But actually I'm not gonna do it right now because maybe this video is gonna stop because of that if I reset that sound card. So for you it is very easy, the process is very easy. Go and click this update. After that it will be updated and installed. If not, the program will need you to reboot your computer. For an example, for this display adapter, I think, I'm not 100% sure, but after installing this one you need to restart your PC. So that is the entire process. It is very easy and simple, and I'm using very easy and simple techniques, and I'm giving you our shortcuts, links in my bio, in my description, in the description of this video. So by clicking on those links you can go directly to those websites, download it, install it, and update all drivers, install all programs, or whatever. Keep watching me and you're gonna learn a lot, and thank you again, and see you in the next one. And don't forget to leave a like and don't forget to leave a subscribe, it will mean a lot. Thank you and goodbye.